दीक्षा, अगर हंसना बंद हो गया हो या फिनिश हो गया हो तो वी कैन स्टार्ट, है ना? Okay. So as you can see, we are having the value-based question. Yesterday we discussed a bit. हमने कुछ discussion भी किया था, and I told you that among all the they see, ये देखो, what the very good. This should be उज्जवल करो, ये सब करना तो बहुत necessary चीज है. So as I told that. See, Eklavya's story is a very inspiring story. Why? Because we used to learn so many things. आप में से एक बच्चे आदित्य नमन ने मुझे बड़ा अच्छा एक आंसर दिया था that ma'am, we used to learn that we should not set us a limit for us, है ना, for learning. That is also a very good lesson that we used to learn from the story of Eklavya. That means कि किसी चीज के लिए हमें लिमिट सेट नहीं करना चाहिए, but at the same time मैं जिस क्वालिटी पे फोकस करूंगी that is his determination, है ना? So I will try. अगर आप लोगों ने अपना आंसर्स लिखा होगा, that's I'm completely okay with that. There is no need कि आप मेरा ही आंसर लिखिए. Just make a corrections from my side. आप मुझे भेज दो, मैं थोड़ा grammatical mistakes देखूंगी आपका, and you can do your answer. Is it okay? So and this answer is for them, those who haven't even tried, जिनको कोशिश करना भी नहीं है. ये आंसर उनके लिए, because they are spoon feeders, है ना? उनको सब कुछ अपने चम्मच में चाहिए होता है. अदरवाइज मैम आपने तो ये कराया ही नहीं. लैंग्वेज में वोकैबुलरी एनहांस करने के लिए खुद से ट्राई करना होता है. जैसे मैथ्स में प्रैक्टिस के बिना यू कांट मेक योरसेल्फ परफेक्ट, उसी तरह इंग्लिश या किसी भी दूसरे लैंग्वेज में अपने लिखने पढ़ने की जो आपकी एबिलिटी होती है उसके बढ़ाने के लिए यू हैव टू मेक सम योर एफर्ट, जो अभी शायद आप लोग करने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो, बट हो जाओगे. So the first question is, what inspiration do you get from the story of Eklavya? So should I narrate or should I use whiteboard? How many students? Okay, on my right now I am having Ankit, Raj 5A, Arya, Mittal, Shambhavi, Ashutosh and Amar. अब आप चारों मुझे बताओ. पहले मैं बोलूंगी, should I dictate you? Dictate you, that means मैं orally बोलूँ, आप लिख लोगे तो थम्स अप दे दो. और should I use whiteboard? तो पहले मुझे थम्स अप दो अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो दैट आई डिक्टेट, तो गिव मी थम्स अप. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर ओके विद दैट? शांभवी ओके, आशुतोष ओके, आर्या नॉट ओके, अंकित नॉट ओके, अमरदीप नॉट ओके. सो अगर मैं इसको मेजॉरिटी का वोट मान लूं, आदित्य नमन, अर्यांश नहीं, आदित्य नमन इज ओके. आई शुड majority students want that I should write on the board. So here I am. I have to move to the whiteboard. Let's see. So this question number is, who will tell me? Angni, Shweta? Shweta?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question number?
Question number.
Do that question have? अब ये बताओ, अब ये बच्चे हैं मेरे, इन्हें ये भी नहीं पता है कि इन्हें क्वेश्चन कौन सा करना है. Okay, I will find out. That is A7. It's okay, Shweta. It's okay. A7. So this is so A7. That is value based. Okay. Value based. You all have to write the question also. Don't write only the answer. I'm writing only the answer. Okay. Shweta, please mute yourself. Shweta, this video will be on the YouTube. Unnecessary sound should be avoided. है ना? अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So please try to make a silence. if you are unmute. So here is your answer. Write down. We learn many lessons from the story of Eklavya. Shweta, kindly mute yourself, beta. Eklavya, but. See, I am repeating it again. This is my point of view. You can add or you can minus. है ना? आप चाहो तो you can add your own point of view. But among them, the value which we would like to admire is his determination. We learn many lessons from the story. Lessons मतलब यहाँ पे values को ले सकते हैं ना, from the story of Eklavya. But among them, the value which we would like to admire is his determination. Now what else? What inspiration do you get from the story of Eklavya? Okay. Right now, एक line और ऐड कर दूं. Eklavya's story inspire us to work hard with honesty Anusha, have you written? You already have written? Okay. Inspire us to work.
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार चेक करवा लेना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Work hard with honesty for success. For success. Not success. For what will be the better word? Achievement or success? What do you think, Anusha? For
Yes,
result,
ma'am.
for success, or for achievement, which word would be most appropriate for completion of this answer?
Ma'am, success.
Spell it now. Anusha, spelling of
Yes,
success.
ma'am. S U C E S. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Am I audible?
यस मैम, अभी आ रही है.
Done. This is number 1. Okay. This was the question number, value based question number. Question 1. Now we will move to question number. Somebody has messaged. क्या मैसेज किया बच्चा आप लोगों ने? Okay, be ready for the next one. Let's remove for and add to achievement. Let's remove for and add to achieve goal of our life. Okay, that could be. That could be. Yes. Inspire us to work hard to achieve goal of our life. Correct? Adityanam, that's also correct. वो भी सही है. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Number 2. What is the question? Question number 2
मैम
is,
क्वेश्चन
who of the two do you think is worthy of more respect? We agar should, if we consider the story of Eklavya, Sony, are you feeling sleepy, beta? Then go and wash your face. So we are aware of the story of the leading characters of the story is Eklavya and Drona, है ना? And we both know what are their abilities, qualities. द्रोणा की क्या खासियत थी या क्या मेरिट थे या क्या डिमेरिट्स थे और एकलव्य के क्या मेरिट और क्या डिमेरिट्स थे. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि हम किसको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, है ना? हु ऑफ द टू? Shan, you have to give me some time. I will reply after the class because right now I am not able to read your answer. So, who of the two do you think is worthy of more respect? Drona for being an excellent teacher or Eklavya for being a meticulous or sacrificing student? So, I would like to have some answers from your side, बच्चों. कि आपको okay, Anusha, I will begin from you. You are unmute. आप ही से शुरू करती हूँ. What do you think? Who
ओके
is?
मैम. मैम आई थिंक एकलव्य इज राज बिकॉज he uh, he satisfy and do hard work for success without any guru.
Although his guru has denied to teach him, he refused, है ना? He refused that I am not going to teach you, but still he worked hard upon his goal for achieving his goal of being archer. You wanted to admire. Okay, okay, well done, Anusha. Aditya Kumar Mishra, mute yourself. Aditya, आप नहीं कर पा रहे? You are getting the option, Aditya? What happened? He is raising his hand. It's not responding. Okay. So next hand is a foot. Also, we have to give the reason, not only the second one. Reason देना होगा. Why the second one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because he done hard work and for achieving the goal, because it is that because hard work is very important.
That means everybody wants to admire the hard work done by him. Okay, Aditya, you can. What do you want to say about Eklavya? You want to respond, Aditya? You want to respond? Aditya Mishra,
Ma'am, I want to respect.
you want to give respect to whom? Drona as a teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he wanted to give respect. Okay, that's
Ma'am,
also
he wanted to.
yes, but you can continue.
Ma'am, he want to become Arjuna-based archer.
That means he has his. Don't you think he has done little bit injustice to Eklavya? He has done little bit injustice. He point of view, yes, I know he's being a guru. He was dedicated towards his favorite people, so that's okay.
Ma'am,
But
Arjuna.
Arjuna, but he has little bit have done injustice with Eklavya because he was a teacher. The person, anyone who wants to have learning, you know, have lessons from him as a teacher, it was his duty to be with him. You know, but at the same time, what he has done, he has set a limit for him that he will not teach the low bonds, and he refused to teach Eklavya. So this steps down little bit was I.
Ma'am, ma'am, Drona were not teaching Eklavya because Eklavya was
A low
in
bond.
low caste living.
That's correct. But एक गुरु होने के नाते, एक टीचर होने के नाते, क्या वो ये कदम उनका करेक्ट था? That is it? It was the correct step taken by him. Think about it. Yes, as a teacher, obviously he was holding a post where everyone has to respect, and but it
Yes,
was little bit dishonest. It is my point of view actually. ये मुझे लगता है कि टीचर होने के कारण या नाते ये अपने आप को एक लिमिट में बांधना कि मैं इसको पढ़ाऊंगी, ये मेरा फेवरेट है, उसको नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी, वो मेरा फेवरेट नहीं है, दैट वाज नॉट करेक्ट, है ना? फॉर अ टीचर एवरी
ma'am,
लर्न.
Drona was wrong.
यस आदित्य,
Ma'am, Drona was wrong.
that I was explaining that as a teacher, of course, he was holding the position of making respect, but वो गलत था उनका. Anyways, Vanshika, you are unmute. You can convey. You can speak, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am. I think that Eklavya should be given more respect as he was too much self-determined, and after that, Drona asked for his right thumb. He was respecting Drona as his teacher.
Yes, correct. Na? He has, although Drona, whatever, he didn't care what Drona has done towards him. है ना? He was, once Drona refused, but still he respected him as a teacher. And what he has done, he carved a statue. He used to do namaskar in front of that statue. है ना? And after that, इसके बाद, the worst scenario, he has taken his right thumb, but still still Eklavya used to respect his teacher, and he went to him when his teacher, he found that his teacher was in difficulty, he is in trouble, he needs help. He went to him and offer his services as a learner. So this made Eklavya little bit holding a higher position than Drona. है ना? Okay, बच्चों, let me see how many students are able to understand. ओके, कार्तिक, मैंने बहुत देर से तुम्हें अनम्यूट रखा है बेटा, आप बोलो, अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो तो आप अनम्यूट हो, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर थिंग्स. व्हाई यू आर कीपिंग योरसेल्फ इन अ शेल,
Yes,
कार्तिक?
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो, यू आर अनम्यूट, अब बोलो, बोलोगे नहीं बेटा तो फिर मैं कैसे समझूंगी? यस बोलो।
Ma'am, I think Eklavya is more respectful compared by Drona because he gave his right thumb as to Drona as his Guru Dakshina, and without his right thumb he practices archery and become a good archer. When his Guru Drona in a difficult time, he want to help his Drona
Correct.
as Guru.
Yes, this act made him now holding a very higher position than Drona. Drona guru थे, obviously he was respectful, but जो ये इन्होंने किया था और वापस रिटर्न में जो एकलव्य ने उनको दिया, उससे कहीं उसने उसको कहीं ऊंची जगह पे लाके टिका दिया था, है ना? So we will write our answer on that basis, but still I used to, yes, Utsav, I got it. अच्छा एक बात बताओ उत्सव एंड शायन, यू कैन मैसेज मी अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यहाँ पे, अगर कुछ समझने में, है ना, रिगार्डिंग योर होमवर्क, टॉक टू मी आफ्टर द क्लास, बिकॉज अभी अगर आप चाहोगे भी तो मैं कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर पाऊंगी, है ना? शो मी योर होमवर्क, यू वांट टू गिव योर रिस्पॉन्सेज रिगार्डिंग योर होमवर्क, शो, आप मैसेज करते हो मैं नहीं देख पाती, आई कांट रिप्लाई, एक वक्त में एक ही काम कर पाऊंगी ना बच्चों। चलो तो वी विल राइट इट नाउ, अब लिखेंगे हम लोग, या आप लोग लिख लोगे इसको? कुछ बोलेंगे मैम लिख लेंगे, कुछ बोलेंगे मैम नहीं लिखेंगे। मैम बीच में फंस गई। आदित्य राज सिंह मुझे थम्स अप दे रहा है, थैंक यू सो मच आदित्य। आई नो बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे जो पढ़ने के लिए ही बैठे हैं, दे विल राइट। कोमल, गुड टू सी यू आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, क्लासेस क्यों नहीं करते हो बेटा? कोमल, शी इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग। ओके, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट। व्हाइट बोर्ड पे चलते हैं हम लोग, आई विल राइट द सेकेंड आंसर। So here we go. इंडिविजुअल आंसर्स भी हो सकते हैं बच्चों, सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि सेम ही लिखें, आप अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी लिख सकते हो, बट लिटिल बिट केयरफुल अबाउट द ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स, दैट्स इट। ओके, राइट डाउन, आई वुड, we will not make the answer so much complicated, या बहुत बड़ा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है। I would like to give respect to Eklavya. Eklavya as Sakri. What was the question? Sacrificing. Yes. Kartik, alarm. Sacrificing. Sacrificing. Sacrificing student because he didn't care about Drona. Drona's behavior he didn't care about Drona's behavior towards him he not only sacrificed. He not only sacrificed his right thumb, but his Guru Dakshina. Guru Dakshina, but also offered his help when Drona was in trouble. Done. Drona was in trouble. That's it. The second one. Number one. I'm sharing it in the group. जिनका छूट रहा है वो वहीं से लिख लेंगे. ठीक है? We have to do a lots of exercises also. I'm going to share it in the group. Class group में share कर दो बच्चों. वहीं से लिख लेना. It is shared in the class group. Class group में share कर दिया है मैंने. जिनका भी those who are slow writers, they can write it from there. Okay. Somebody's mobile. Okay, let's remove and we'll move to. Again, I have to share the book and we will move to the next portions. अब यहाँ करेंगे इसके आगे. Okay, let's move. What was that? A few words from the text have given in the box. A box which can be used to replace the bold words in sentences. So the first one is the old man was looking fiercely. Now I have to annotate. Let's move. Please, please, please don't make sounds. What the hell? Wait. I have to put 8 time to make. This one. Okay, the old man was looking fiercely at his son when the guest came in. Old man looking fiercely will be replaced here by glaring. Write down glaring. 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 Now, In olden times, kings used to travel in the two-wheeled vehicles drawn by horses, and they are chariots. So write down CHARIOTS, chariots. Shekhar was avoided by his friends due to his bad habits that could be shunned. So write down shunned. 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 The next answer is everyone dislikes the village head for his unfavorable attitude towards a few village families. That is discrimination. 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 one word it did हो गया यहाँ पे s करोगे बच्चों सॉरी discrimination. ठीक है now next is Sheena went to the principal and accepted her mistakes with an ability to disregard fear, that is courage. COURAGE, courage. Glaring, chariots, shunned, discrimination, courage. Let me see how many are writing or how many are only sitting. Okay. Okay. Amar, why you are not writing? Amar, write down. कुछ लोग हैं जिनको अब मैं हटाऊंगी बिकॉज हैं वीडियो बंद करके बैठने वाले लोग, थोड़ा सा उनको बाहर करने दो बच्चों, इनकी हैबिट्स रेगुलर हैं. Okay, I think everyone has now done. कुछ लोग तो बाहर गए, ऐसे भी ये लोग सिर्फ है ना. आरोही, हाउ स्वीट. सृजन, शिवम, बाहर जाओ, तुम भी जाओ. निकिता कुमारी, श्रेयांश सिन्हा. Okay, so we will do now the next one, that is A9. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों को बच्चों. देयर इज अ टर्म, ये टर्म जो है इसमें एक वर्ड है सफिक्स. लेट मी फर्स्ट क्लियर दिस स्क्रीन. See here, Drona was speechless. In the word speechless, less is a suffix which has been added to the word speech to make a new word. अब यहीं पे इसका डेफिनेशन है. दो टर्म होते हैं बच्चों, एक होता है प्रीफिक्स और दूसरा होता है सफिक्स. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. प्री का मतलब होता है पहले. पहले मैं समझाऊं तो प्रीफिक्स क्या होता है. ध्यान से सुनो, सब लोग सुनो. प्रीफिक्स बोलते हैं ऐसे शब्द को, एक ऐसे शब्द को कह सकते हो ना बच्चों कि प्रीफिक्स वो शब्दांश होता है जो किसी शब्द के आगे लग के, है ना, पहले लग के उस शब्द को एक नया टर्म दे देता है. जैसे अन, UN अन, ठीक है, और दूसरा वर्ड है फॉर्चुनेट. FORTUNAT, फॉर्चुनेट का मतलब होता है भाग्यशाली, ठीक है। अब ये UN जब फॉर्चुनेट में लग गया तो बन गया नया वर्ड अनफॉर्चुनेट, मीनिंग कुछ अलग ही आया, है ना। तो प्रीफिक्स वो शब्दांश होते हैं that words which used to be added in front, है ना, या आप कह सकते हो जैसे यहाँ पे सफिक्स में होता है words are added at the last of the word, in prefix वो पहले ऐड हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो सफिक्स इज अ लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स, सेम पैटर्न वहां जैसे प्रीफिक्स में होता है, इज अ लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स दैट एडेड at the first of word, है ना, या at the beginning of the word to make a another word, वो होता है प्रीफिक्स। यहाँ पे अगर इस वर्ड पे फोकस कर जाओ बच्चों, यहाँ पे इस पे स्पीचलेस, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना। आई नो थोड़ा गंदा ही जा रहा है पर ठीक है, चलता है, मैं एक अंडरलाइन ही करती हूँ, फिर ये भी टेढ़ा ही गया। एनीवे, स्पीचलेस पे देखो, स्पीच इज अ वर्ड, है ना, जिसका मतलब होता है लैंग्वेज, भाषा, है ना। लेस का मतलब होता है कम, जब दोनों ही जुट गए तो एक नया वर्ड आया, बन गया वो स्पीचलेस, जिसका मतलब भाषाविहीन, बोलने के लिए कोई शब्द नहीं है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पीचलेस। तो इसी तरह से हम लोग यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करेंगे इस चैप्टर में कि कौन कौन सा सफिक्स होता है। सो नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स अगर आपसे कोई पूछे व्हाट आर सफिक्स और प्रीफिक्स, तो आप बताओ। अगर कोई पूछे व्हाट इज अ प्रीफिक्स, तो प्रीफिक्स इज अ लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स which are added it at the beginning of a word to make a new word, that is prefix, है ना। And suffix are the group of letters or a letter which are added at the last of the word to make a new word. So now we have, what do you have to do here? We have to find out ED, इस चैप्टर में से ढूंढना है हम लोगों को